Hello, it is Tuesday, I think it's June 28th, and I'm gonna vlog today because I have laundry to do, and then I have the rest of my groceries coming today because, like I told y'all yesterday, in the first half of my groceries, well, really 3 parts now, but in the vlog that I'm actually editing right now, that everything I ordered from Walmart, but then they told me that some stuff was unavailable. I had to Instacart it from Publix, so it'll be here in a little bit. I'll be back later with that, but I'm gonna just put the towels that I washed yesterday in the dryer. I just re-rinsed them because they were sitting in the washing machine since yesterday. So I re-rinsed them. I'm going to put those in the dryer. My face is so white because I just took a shower like an hour and a half ago. So I'm going to put those in the dryer, and then I'm going to wash some colored clothes. I will be right back. Actually, I'm going to put the white towels in the dryer, and then I'm gonna rinse out the dryer because anytime I wash anything white, because you have to use bleach, I always rinse out the washing machine to make sure that any bleach residue gets cleaned out of the washing machine before I put colored clothes in it. I would recommend anybody, anytime you wash your white towels, clothes, whatever, after you put those in the dryer, rinse out your washing machine to make sure you get all the bleach out before you put colored clothes in. Just my 2 cents is what I always do whenever I wash my white towels. And I say white towels because I don't really have white clothes. So whenever I wash something white, it's always towels. Because like my small towels that I use like to wash my face, and some of my like dish towels, not the ones I use to wash dishes, but just other ones, they're white. But I don't really have white clothes. For me, it's just towels. But even if it was clothes, anything that I'm putting bleach in, I'm gonna always rinse the washing machine out before I put colored clothes in. I'm gonna put those in the dryer, I'm gonna rinse out the washing machine, and then I'm gonna wash my colored clothes. Of everything from all of my orders. This is what was supposed to have been in my Walmart order yesterday, but it was unavailable, so they had to refund me the money. So I Instacarted it from Publix, and then the peroxide is from my order 2 days ago from Sunday that finally got here today on Tuesday. My 10-pack of Doritos, peroxide, box of ranch seasoning. This was not initially in my order, but I saw it on Instacart at Publix. Love me some boiled peanuts. Pasta that I'm gonna make with some shrimp probably sometime next week. I ordered another garlic bread because I used half of one of the garlic breads that I got yesterday in something that I made for me and my son last night. So I ordered another one because I'm using it for something that I'm gonna make today. Tomatoes. I've never tried buffalo style ranch sunflower seeds. It was supposed to be the regular David Ranch, but they didn't have it, so she got these instead. My Instacart person. I wanted the big thing of them. I had it in my Walmart order, but Publix only had the really expensive one, and normally I would get that one, but prices have gone up so high. It's so much more expensive, so I just got 2 of the lightly salted, and I'm definitely gonna add some salt in these because I like for mine to have a lot of salt in them. But I just got 2 of these lightly salted cashews. So that is everything. All of my groceries finally here now. I'm gonna get these put away, and I'm gonna wash these few dishes in my sink. And I am uploading a vlog, the vlog of Sunday and yesterday. That's gonna go live today. So I'll be back in a few minutes, me washing the dishes, and later taking the clothes out of the washing machine and putting those away. After I wash dishes, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna cook, and I'm gonna let y'all see. So I'll be back in a few minutes. So it is a little bit later. It's 3:58. I have been very productive today. I have edited a vlog. It's uploading to YouTube now. That's gonna go live today. I'm gonna start transferring this one over later, and this one will go live Thursday. I've washed clothes, I've washed dishes, I've edited, I've been vlogging, I'm about to cook. It's been a very productive day. I need days like this, especially after when I feel unmotivated. And I just got a call. I start my new job on Monday. I start training for 5 days, and then my shift will be 3 to 11:30, but the training is going to be 8 in the morning, which is going to suck. So I got the rest of this week to start going to bed a little bit earlier so that I don't have such a hard time, which I'm gonna have such a hard time anyway, getting up at damn 6 a.m. Oh Jesus. It's just for 5 days. I start working on Monday, 4th of July. I made somewhat of a version of it last night. Not as complicated as what I'm about to do now, but I am cheating a little bit with my version of it because she cooked her chicken. I'm not cooking my chicken. I bought already cooked chicken. I didn't feel like all of that was necessary, but I saw it on Instagram. I will link her Instagram down below of the person that I got the inspo from, but it is a chicken Caesar salad grinder sandwich. Like I said, I made a version of it last night, but not as complicated and not with just not as complicated. So like I said, I'll link her Instagram down below. I make this for me and my son, and then I'm gonna get the clothes out of the dryer after I eat. Put those up, and then I'm gonna close out the vlog. I'll be right back. This is it on my plate. I have half and my son has the other half. This shit's gonna be super messy to pick up, and a little side salad for both of us. That is my take on chicken Caesar grinder sandwich. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna get the clothes out of the dryer, put those up, and then I'm gonna close out this vlog. This is yeah, it's already falling apart. But yeah.
I find that to be amazing. I truly do.
All right. And I will put down below everything that I put on it if you want to make it. I'm gonna eat. You back? In a little bit. Later. Okay, so I just wanted to take a video on my phone because I feel like it's more clear than the camera. The camera is darker, but this is what it looks like. It is very messy. Well, this is a little side salad right here that I made with the rest of the salad, excuse me. But this is what it looks like. It's gonna be very messy to eat, but even the girl that I got the inspo from on Instagram, she's like, it's messy, but she likes messy food. Apparently so do I. So like I said, I will link it down below, everything that I put in it. Clearly you can tweak it and make it your own. The bell peppers were supposed to be the green ones, but they didn't have it at Walmart, so I just got the red ones, but the same difference. My version of a chicken Caesar salad grinder burger or sandwich. Okay, so I am officially done with everything today. You just saw me folding up laundry. I am done for today. So I am done with this vlog at 6:41 p.m. Had a long, full day today of doing shit. Very productive day. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this one day vlog. Like always, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.